What's up, everybody? This is Slick Black Cat here, and welcome to Don't Starve Pocket Edition. Now, I'm actually gonna create a new world just for you guys, for my channel and stuff, and I'm actually going to be playing as Weber, and I'm gonna do like tips and tricks in the midst of me playing. So, if before anything, hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see some more.
Was later.
Oh, hey, I spawned right next to a wormhole and berries. The tumbleweeds just cluster and just boom, spawning. Wow, I've never actually seen that happen, to be honest. This is actually kind of weird. Now, when you're playing as Weber, you can befriend spiders, as you all know. If you haven't played Don't Starve and you haven't unlocked him, it's actually quite easy to unlock him. All you actually need to do is kill a bunch of spiders until it's a semi-rare item that you'll get. It's Weber's skull. And what you need to do is dig a grave, then put that skull in, and then lightning will strike the grave, and you'll get Weber. And then a bunch of spiders will spawn after he leaves, and will immediately try to kill you. So, yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Oh, right, I haven't explored much. I'm thinking of my other world. So, there's that there. Okay, these are mushrooms, right? Well, I don't know what's with the ring of mushrooms. I'm kind of confused. I think it like means something, but I'm not 100% sure, you know? Also, if it's a little laggy, this game tends to be laggy on mobile devices. So, it's not exactly the world's fault. It's actually just the game itself. Especially when it's raining. My phone lags beyond belief. Oh, sweet. Revive. Need a little revive. I'm sorry, I had to reference Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies. Okay, so I hear flies. Well, herd. So there must be some beefalo. Either that or I'm going insane. Dang, I haven't found a single piece of flint. Speaking of beefalo, I just got 2 beefalo wool. Now, I'm not like an expert or anything to this game, so I'm just warning you ahead of time. I might like die. So, yeah. But here, okay. Number 5 on the tip list. Before anything, before you make an axe, make a pickaxe so you can get more flint. Then make an axe, then you can progress even farther faster. You can go die in a hole, turkey. Ah! Get away! God, I hate those things. Especially when I have my berry farm. Ugh. Those things are a nuisance. Seriously, and they're so hard to get rid of. However, they do have good drops when you get them, like kill them. But what I like to do, like if I'm near the edge, like at the sea or something, now it gets a little risky, but if you trap them in a space, you can actually kill them pretty easily. And so, yeah. But, okay, where's some flint? But so, I actually have my own theory about Weber, because he says some kind of weird stuff about, like, the alchemy engine, which kind of leads me to believe some stuff. I'll explain that later. A gnome. No thanks for gnomes. Oh god, lag. No, this is actually the first time I loaded this world, so that's the reason why it's a bit laggy. Mole worms, I have no use for them yet. Where's some stinking flints? Oh, no. My rocks. Mine. Mine. Flint! My flint! Get over there. Oh my god. Dun, 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 dun. No, I'm joking. Oh my god. This is so laggy. Probably because I have this video recording software up. Oh god. The lag is real. But, like, before anything, I would immediately stock up on sticks and stone, if you could find, like, stones lying about, because they're gonna come in handy once you, like, get everything settled. But what I like to do is, like, set up shop before anything. You know? Like, okay, hold on. I have 4 of 12 rocks needed. Okay. But if you would like to give me tips for this game or anything, that would be greatly appreciated. But so, yeah. Okay, there's an iceberg there. Good to know. Is this a full-on swamp? I can't tell. Yeah, this is a full-on swamp. Definitely keeping this in mind. Let's see if I can find a stinking tentacle. Get a tentacle spike. That would be nice for a starter weapon, actually. Come on. Where are ya? I know there's gonna be one somewhere around here. There always is. Just where? Just waiting for my, Oh, there's one right there. You can see how my, sanity just dropped like a bomb. Come on, where are you? Strange. Well, that's weird. Usually they would pop up. Where's some flints? God. Oh god, the frame rate though. Well, it kind of gives me more time to react. So, I won't complain too much. Tumbleweed! Oh, hey, some stones. Frazzled wires and dark petals. Okay. Droppy, because I have no use for them right now. Drop those because I don't need them. Okay. So here's something. If you ever find a cobblestone path, usually it will lead to pigs. But I actually I made this world to have more spiders because for some reason I just have, oh yeah, see? Pig village. I'm just gonna take your guys' carriage. And watch out back. I'm sorry, I had to do a Looney Tunes reference there. But oh, there's spiders nearby too. Sweet. Merms. Also, on a full moon, those heads actually open their eyes. I found out. I'm not even joking. They'll, like, have white eyes. It's creepy. Let's see how many spiders are there. Okay, one nest. Let's see. Map. I want to camp at least nearby here. Because farms of any sort are like my main goal to find first. Like base is like really to set up a base with Weber. If you like set up shop near a farm area or something, somewhere with like at least like 2 to 3 spider nests, you'll be golden. Because first off, protection, second off, food supply, or supply of like materials, and also it actually leads to one of the tips I'm going to give later. But it requires 1 meat of any kind. And you need to befriend some spiders too. Okay, let's see here. Bees nests. I'm not seeing much. I still haven't found another piece of flint. This world is not the best. And it's just a regular-sized world, too. So I honestly don't understand why I'm not finding, like, a ton of flint. Come on. Where's some stinking flint? This is exactly what I mean with the whole, oh, wait. I'm actually somewhat close by. Okay. I'll set up shop here. But so, that's exactly what I mean. Because I can't find a single piece of stinking flint anywhere. Okay, just place that down. Oh, sweet. There's pigs nearby. Sweet. There's another food resource. Okay. Oh my god, where's some flint? Ugh. I should have probably just jumped through that wormhole first thing. But, too late for that, I guess. I need to eat. Some more spiders and pigs. Still no stinking flint. Okay, to be honest, this is actually the worst world yet. Because I can't get started because of that stupid flint. Okay. Also, if you guys know how to spawn in rock lobsters, I would love to know. Because that I've been wanting to know for a while, if you can spawn them in. But, yeah. I actually don't go spelunking because I'm not experienced with that yet. I actually haven't had the time to actually go and find a hole and go down. Plus the basilisks are like my pet peeve of this game. Oh man, those things get on my nerves so bad. But I actually found a rock lobster my first game. I died from that. And I respawned at one of those stones. Where am I? Oh, torch. Glitchy, glitchy. Come on. Okay, there we go. Okay. 5 hours later. I'm joking. But seriously, where's Flint? Oh my god. This is really irritating me. Oh, come on. There's gotta be Flint somewhere around here. This is pathetic. Just pathetic. No Flint anywhere. Ugh. Sheesh. Well, anyway. Those spiders are prepared for summer. Sheesh. But I actually made it to day 52, but for some odd reason my ice flingomatic didn't work. Like, I kept adding massive amounts of fuel, but it didn't work. For some reason, it just didn't want to work. And so my stuff burned, and I just whacked the spider's nest nearby my house because I didn't want to put up with building another thing because I had it all set up. Now come on. Where's some Flint? Shh. I want to burn that pig house, I swear. Okay. Okay, so I'm over here. La 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 la. Oh my god, where's some Flint? Get the... Meh. I'll only burn something if I have to. Even then, I probably won't. Flinty, Flinty, Flint, where are you? What was that? Ah, come on. Ah, mosquitoes. Okay, that is really annoying. God. What the? Just the sound of those mosquitoes, like the they make when they attack, you could make a remix out of. Like Epic Sax Guy or something right there. Oh my god, where's some plant? Sheesh. Oh, that's just great. Just what I need. Rain to ruin all my stuff. Another pet peeve of this game for me. Another swamp, eh? Oh, tentacle, tentacle. Hey, wait. Hey, spiders? No? No spiders? Okay. Okay, you know what? Let's just jump in. YOLO. What the heck? Nope. Huh. There's floating eyes. That makes total sense. I'm joking. I'm just making impressions. Ah, God. But I will go back there sometime soon because that's where I put my spider eggs. Usually when I put down the spider egg sacs, I stay put, you know? But this world isn't the best. How far am I from that place exactly? I can't. Oh! Whoa, that is far. You know what? Heck with it. I'm going after the tumbleweed. Whatever. Maybe it'll lead me to some flint. I'm not even joking about that. Sometimes they'll lead me to flint or loot or something on completely random circumstances. Flint! Okay, what'd I tell you? What'd I just tell you? Okay, craft one, la 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 la. It's daytime. Unequip. I'm actually gonna grab some flowers first. Oh, wait, I need to zoom in. Awkward silence. I'm joking. But once before, I actually tried putting on more of those clockwork enemies and just okay, I like this music specifically, this one track, but my whole world was nothing but those things, and it was so a pain in my butt, so I deleted it. So yeah, it did not turn out well. I mean, yeah, sure, tons of gears, good, but no, too hard. I kept getting rammed, and everything I built just boom by a rook. Ugh. Those things are strong, though. When you don't have the right stuff, oh my god. But I actually have worse lag than this, like, to the point where my phone can freeze up sometimes. And then, like, 2 minutes later, it'll unfreeze. But this isn't as bad. So, I'm actually kind of lucky that this is functioning as it is, this smoothly with this stuff. Oh, sorry. I got a text for a second, so yeah, just had to check that real quick. Okay. Mine. Tumbleweed. Much twig. Mine. I love this music. Ah, dang it. Land cut off. Okay, glacier, good to know. Hey, is that another swamp I spy? Ooh. Ignore that boulder for now. Let's see, where am I? But, I'm definitely not going to, like, set up base away from where I put the spider eggs, because, first off, that'd be a huge waste. And second off, I'd be way far away from the pig village with the farms. So, yeah. Hey, the Moggle's blueprint. Learn. Oh my god, that gave me a whole ton of sanity. Whew. Oh god. I'm getting wet all over the place. But I must continue my adventure. Onward! Oh, now I'm finding more flint. Oh, something tells me that I just might find a tall bird. And I actually do want a tall bird as a pet. But, spiders don't exactly cooperate with them. Which sucks. I mean, heck, I'd love one, but it's just too risky for the tall bird. With the spiders trying to eat the egg, and also them just being complete bags of hammers and being stupid and trying to eat my pet. Which I find quite annoying. Okay, well, I actually need to get shelter before my sanity just completely drops like an empty tank on a car. However, I want to explore here a little. Oh, there's a tentacle nearby. Wait, hold on. Why is my sanity going down like no tomorrow? I'm not working on like endless tentacles, am I? Is this whole place like tentacles and stuff? No, wait. What? Oh, it's the water. Uncomfortably moist, as Weber puts it. The tree, the tree! Oh, God, everything's wet. Protect us, tree! Nah, okay. Just gonna munch down a little. Munchy, munch, 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 munch. Munch! Moist and delicious! Oh, God, I'm freezing. Okay, I hear a ruckus. What's over? What's over here? Oh, it's a tentacle. Oh god, this is not gonna play out well for the spiders. Oh god, merms. Oh, I hate merms. Wait, will this protect me from the... Ah! Merm! Get away. Get away, merm. At this point, I'm either gonna freeze or drown. Let's see, 43, yeah. I could have drowned if I hadn't found any trees. Did that tentacle die? That would be a no. But I'm kind of relying on the merms to kill them. Like the tentacles, because I need a weapon. And tentacle spikes are like the easiest weapon to get right now. You stay back, merm. You stay back. Hold on. No, not on guard. Dingus. Oh. Back off! This is my tree. Stay back, merm. Ugh. They look like walking fish with giant bulging eyes and like no stomach. Like they look like they would be hollow completely and just gulp down whatever they find that's alive. Oh great, freezing. Well, that's pleasant. Wait, hold on. Why isn't my sanity going absolutely no? It didn't attack me. And I was like 2 inches away. I'm confused. Merms are usually like hostile at all times, right? Muggles! Oh, God. Light. Burn! Oh, boy. Spiders are picking a fight with merms. Spider's gonna die in like 2 seconds. I might as well pick up those ashes. Back off! Why aren't they attacking me? I'm like right stinking near them. Oh, this is not good. I'm backing off. Nope. Okay. Well, I'm not going to be here very much. By the way, if anyone knows what the blue mushrooms do, could you please tell me in the comments? Because I honestly don't trust mushrooms in this game. Period. So, if someone could tell me what those things do, that would be great. Oh, tentacle. Ah, worms. Okay, these things can get in a hole. Dude, what the? How did it hit me? Oh god, no. Go away. I don't like you. Smell. And you look disgusting. Do they understand English? Might as well craft another torch, just in case this runs out. Is Spidey? Interesting. Thank you, Merms, for trying to kill. Yeah, see what I mean? Prepare. Always prepare. Ow, back up. But yeah, they're fighting the tentacle, which is killing them. Long behold my fish kingdom. I'm joking. Back off. Ah! I swear these things are a menace to society. Any creep. Get off my case, you stinking fish thing. Tentacle. They don't go home. Interesting. Oh yeah, I swear this looks like, okay. This thing looks as if it's like the nailed board you get in a Silent Hill game. What was that? Okay, did you guys hear that thing? Because I don't know what that is, but I don't think it likes me. Nom nom nom. Tentacle spots. That's actually a rare drop. Sweet. Okay, what do I not need? What do I not need? Okay, I can get these anytime.